Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video. And today is Wednesday, and I'm over here by the river. The sun almost coming up, and today is like 6:40 in the morning, and it's 40 degrees outside. My nose is so red. It's cold. It's freezing. I got my gloves on. It's freezing here in Maine this morning. So yesterday I chucked a whole bunch of wood. I'll put that in the next clip or whatever, but
Machine. Bam, 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 bam.
doing the dreaded wood. I've been saying I have to do it for like, God, it's been a month now. I've been saying this. I'm finally getting around to it. Like I said, I wish we had like a little spot to just dump it, because I gotta throw it to the window, and then from the window I gotta chuck it in the cellar, and then in the cellar I gotta stack it.
It's a good workout.
In the long run, it makes for a good wood fire. It saves on oil. If you live in Maine, that's good.
My question is, how much wood can the Cindy chuck wood if a Cindy could chuck wood?
You're so stupid.
Got her.
There we go. So come join me on my walk through town. Like and subscribe. Bye. I was gonna go by the river, but I really want to go up to the river road. Yeah, we'll go up to the river road and forget. We'll go up there and see what we can get into. This purse is driving me crazy. Oh, the sun is freaking gorgeous out this morning. It's got to be close to 7 o'clock today, right now. It's the sun. It's the river. Still really low, too. What does that sound? Oh, the little dogs. Little tiny dog. Yeah, I was gonna go by the river, but then I was like, I've been messing around too long. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. I saw a bird fly in the tree over here. Yep. It's beautiful here. Yeah, the big thing is the wood. I think we can get the wood down cellar in the next couple of days. It's supposed to be real nice. Ooh. Let's see here. In a couple of days. It's supposed to be real nice, so we'll be doing that. And then our next task is the chicken coop. I do have to clean them though. Trees. Yeah. I gotta keep walking. So I will pick you back up when I get down this road a little bit, and like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in a bit. These trees are gorgeous. I hope it's not messing up the color. In 8K you can't zoom in. So this is as good as it's gonna get, I guess. Look at that. I guess because of the high resolution you don't need to. But I'm going right there and stuff. Oh. Oh yeah. Half of the trees are all gone. Yeah. It's all on the ground. Except for these. That tree is no leaves in that tree. No leaves in this tree. There's some leaves in this tree. There was a falling leaf. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Holy moly. These trees are pretty. I don't know if you can see it where the sun's shining on them so bright, but I love to film this portion of this road because it's so pretty. When the trees are in full bloom, that's when it's super gorgeous. Oh, those trees are mad gorgeous. The sun's hitting the trees right at the top. The tippity top. This tree's almost... Oh, look at that one. I don't know if you can see it or not, but... What? Zoomed in? Oh, I guess so. The leaves were falling out of this tree. I don't think I caught them those, but cool. And then my favorite oak tree is coming up. Yeah. She's all naked now. Look how naked she is. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's some pretty... Oh, shoot. I'm glad I got some pictures while I could. I'm gonna go walk around in the leaves. Ready? At ASMR. That's it. That's all she wrote. Oh, that one's pretty too. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe to my channel. My link tree is posted in the description below. Go check it out. All my socials are on there, so go check me out, and we'll see you in a bit. Bye. This is the field. It's pretty gorgeous. I'm gonna walk down here and then walk a little bit down this road here. Maybe I'll go down in the woods a little bit, but look how beautiful. I mean, look. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? I wish I could zoom in. But with this 8K resolution, you can't. Pretty nice. All right. We'll see you when I get further down in there. Bye. I'm going in. I'm going down this trail. I probably won't go very far down this trail. I'm just doing it for a little content. But yeah, it's pretty neat. I'll probably just go a little ways and then come back. It's getting pretty late now, so. It's gorgeous. I do have to watch out for animals though, because you freaking never know. I mean, just because you've been down this trail a dozen times doesn't mean there isn't something. I'll make a ton of noise. It's so nice. Dude, I swear I could be in the woods all the time. I don't know about living in the woods, like camping but I like going in the woods, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm going away from the sun now, going in the dark woods. The interstate's like right there, you can hear it. I should just go to the, should I? Yeah, I'll go to the field. Wrong way, good thing I didn't go very far. Oh, shoot, I should be looking up too, because the trees are gorgeous. Look at that. I don't trip on anything. Oh man, it's so gorgeous. I should go back. Hold on a second. Oh, look at the leaves. A big gush of wind. I'm waiting to see a whole bunch of leaves fall, but that wasn't happening. Hold on just a second. I want to take a picture here. Video. Hello? All right. What does this mean? Alright. Son of a gun. I don't know what this means. Oh, alright. I must have hit the button. I am all over the place. There might be a little path in there. I'm recording all weird. I'll have to edit the crap out of this. Time to go back. It's hard to do an SMR on this with the freaking traffic going though. Maybe I won't. Screw it. Yeah. I'm gonna have to edit the junk out of this video. It's been 7 minutes. The interstate's busy. Here we go. Now we're getting into the sunny parts. After this, I got a beeline at home. I'm done mucking around over here. Here's where it really gets pretty. If I can hit that button. And here we are. I'm gonna go back this way because it's quicker. So, like and subscribe to my channel. My link tree is in the description below. And we'll see you on the next adventure.